Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the swipe down for the notification in this device. If you swipe down from the home screen, anywhere from the home screen, you can see we can get the notification panel. You can see, right? So let me show you how to enable this one. For this, go to settings, then scroll down, tap on the option home screen, then scroll down. So here you can see the option swipe down for notification panel. Open the notification panel by swipe down anywhere on the home screen. If you don't want to enable this, turn off this one. If you go to the home screen, swipe down, you can see we will not get the notification panel. Enable, turn on this one, go to home screen, swipe down, you can see the notification panel. So simply in this way we can enable the swipe down for the notification panel in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.